Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for your patience, and thank you so much for joining for today's webinar. We were waiting for some people to join, and now as committed, it's 3:10 already. So let's start the session formally. Today is another episode of TechX webinar series, and TechX has recently launched a brand new initiative called TechX Call Center. With this initiative, the company is ready to offer exceptional client interaction and improve customer handling in every manner, with a team of specialists and cutting-edge technology. To talk more about TechX Call Center solution, I have with me as a guest speaker today, Mujib Rahman, who is Manager Systems and Call Center at TechX. In today's session, he is going to discuss the unique products and services TechX Call Center is offering. And also he will explain that how the installation and this whole mechanism work. So without further ado, before I pass the spotlight to Mujib, just some mandatory announcements that the duration of webinar is 60 minutes. We will try to wrap up the webinar during these 60 minutes. During first 40 to 45 minutes, we will explain about the products and solutions of TechX Call Center. And last 15 minutes will be for Q&A session. During the session, if any question comes in your mind, you can ask in the chat box. Otherwise, you can ask the question at the end of webinar during the Q&A session. To avoid all kind of distractions, we will keep all the participants on mute. If you have any question, you can just raise your hand. We will unmute you and you can ask the question at the end of webinar during the Q&A session. Also, we are live on our official Facebook page. The link of Facebook page will be shared in the chat box. If any of your friends are unable to join us on Zoom, they can watch us live on Facebook. But for an interactive session, I will encourage people to join us on Zoom, where they can engage with us and interact with us and ask questions if there are any. Also, the feedback form will be shared at the end of the webinar. Once you will fill the feedback form, you will be eligible for the participation certificate of this webinar. So these are some mandatory announcements about the webinar. Once again, I would like to thank everyone for joining us. And now I will pass the spotlight to Mujib so that he can explain more about TechX Call Center solutions. Over to you, Mujib.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Mujib.
Yeah, as we are committed, we are going to start our webinar. So I think we don't want to wait for any more. We can start our section.
Start because people will keep on
joining.
I'm
audible, right? Perfectly, I'm audible, I believe.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So actually, we are talking today a brand new initiation from TechX that is called TechX Call Center.
You can share your screen as well, Mujib.
Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, so this is actually I would like to talk with you very briefly, and then I'm sure that after this you will be getting an idea about call center, how it will be helping your business. As we have a tagline, you can see, which is enhance your business with a 360-degree call center solution. So you know that it's audience in front of me. You're sitting, you might be in a company, a running person, or maybe the employee, maybe the students, or normal common person. This is a very common person can understand what will be happening. My intention to the distance between call center and a common person, what is the is the how far away from the call center from their mind I need to be decreased. That is my ultimate on this webinar. So can I ask you some simple questions? It might be interesting for you, and then I would like to interact with you. You can use chat box. for your answers, and then I can answer. I can see that same like which you can see in my screen. I would like to ask you, what's your business challenge? Or at least I can say, what's your challenge? When I ask you challenge, it is not like a specific subject question. Challenge, we have many challenges, like personal challenge or a physical challenge, financial challenge, many things are there. But especially we are on this 1 hour, we are talking about, that which is call center. So this call center, when I talk with you, I need to ask you at least a question. What's your business challenge? Business challenge might be different. Maybe your customer related, maybe it's financial related, maybe your product related, maybe your solution related, maybe your service related, many things. So
Here,
I'm sure
I
that
would like to encourage the audience to write in the chat box that what are the most common challenges faced by them in
yes,
your business or
yes,
during
please.
their jobs. So, especially if you're in sales or marketing or in any department, what are the most common challenges faced by you during your job?
Yes, Rabab. Thank you, Rabab.
So you
It's
can write
supporting
in
me.
the chat box.
Yes. So we can interact, it is together, so we can
Yes, Umar,
understand.
Umar Abdullah has mentioned that getting leads is a big
Yeah,
challenge.
it's one of the big challenge on this. Mr. Omar is saying getting leads. It's a one of the main challenge. So this is the answer you will be getting. End of this section, definitely you will be getting answer. So I'll be focusing. The one of the major challenges are getting leads. Okay,
Yes.
and then in my concern, I can say, this is the leads is coming from where? From customer.
Yes.
So my prospect is, I'll be saying, when I ask you a question, Mr. Rabab, when you ask me to the question, this question, I will tell you, it is customer. Is it customer related?
Obviously, it's customer related.
Customer related. So customer related, many things are there. Leads need to get from customer. Revenue needs to get from customer. And then the customer delights. Many things are there. So the only one word we can say, many things are there in between. The most important things nowadays, that we are going through a pandemic. This pandemic, how we survive this time, but we are in the growing up. We are along with the COVID. We are challenging. We are passing our daily basis. So call center is the one of the major subject. It will be it is not only 1 hour to talk with this, but we can see part of this maybe in the future. We can you can expect. This is the idea behind this to explain to you how it will be related to you, even a common man, even a customer, even a entrepreneur or small and medium business person. Everybody can understand this. This is the answer of this is the call center. Call center, how it will be working condition, how it will be processing, all these things we'll be discussing by today. So there is some common factors is there. You can see that from this is actually you can see from customer expectation. Okay, and then customer experience, all those things. One of the challenging things in the now the technology it's racing and all, it will be the one of the major things is a customer expectation, very big expectation. And then their experience should be very delightful, then only they will be with us. Okay, and then customer want to get a positive consistent experience, and then consistency create confidence, which can lead to retention and loyalty. It's a fact. And then that 2018, 15% of consumers have switched brand for due to the poor customer service. As a studies. And then you can see 64% of consumers expect real-time response from your business. If you're selling a pen, even your pen, which has been someone is buying, and then when they write there is an issue, they need to get a real-time response. They will call 800 pen. Hello, I have some problem with my pen. So this is the customer need now. So this condition, it's who will provide this? Who will be, from where you will be getting this solution? When you call 800 number or any call center number, we will not get any picture from where is talking, from which country is talking. We will say, okay, we will call 800 Sony example. we will think, oh, Sony office will taking the call, all these things. So the behind this many architecture is there. Maybe they are calling from India. Maybe someone is calling behalf of Sony. Someone is taking from their home the calls. So this webinar will be focused call center, how it will be set up inside your company, in-house call center setup. So as a call center side, call center provider from TechX Call Center is the one of the leading, one of the major service provider in UAE. So we can say only one word to you: sit back, I can work for you. Okay, this is the one word who will say. At that time, we'll be relaxed, right? So the 360-degree call center solutions. Sorry. So this calls 360-degree call center solution. It will be provides like automated personalized response from the that can be set according to client needs. High quality interactive voice response system that interact with the clients and gather information and the route the calls to the appropriate recipient. You know that when you set up in a call center in-house, that will be the first. I need to tell you something why we need to set up. You can say maybe you can say I need a tea. Why I need to buy a tea shop? Maybe you will ask. So, but this is not that much a big tea shop. It's a simple thing. We are not aware of how it will be simple. That's why we are thinking this is a much more higher facility. We need to get a big data center, many computer needed, many servers needed. Not like that. So anyway, the main objective customer, we are personalizing each and every customer. Okay, and then when they called in your call center, your name, your company name is ABC example. They will call 800 ABC. Leave it, no issue. When they call 04 number, any number, your company number. When they called in your call center, you can see someone will call, someone will take that and the call. They will say, hi sir, how are you? This is Gina. How I can help you? This is the way, which is the typically we can see any of this small and medium business companies. But instead of that, when you call one number, it's asking, it's saying it will be landing to an IVR. IVR will start to speak like, thank you for calling ABC company. This is Gina. How we can help you? And you can see many of the options are there. Maybe you're calling, you're calling about your sales. I have a sales inquiry, maybe. So when I call, how many people I need to talk with this related to get my answer. So when we are landing in an IVR, you can see we'll be specifically reaching one area. Maybe I have a complaint. What we'll do, we'll talk with the complaint section only. So this is, as a customer, I'm happy to reach in IVR. And then I'm addressing personally. Hundreds of customers or thousands of customers are there. They'll be addressed separately. The call center, which you can see, which is complete package that caters every need, also provide inbound and outbound campaign services, including callback option, customers in waiting, rescheduling according to customer need, handling complaints, collecting feedback, conducting surveys. These are the benefit which you are getting when you run your business with a call center platform, with the help of call center. And then one more thing, this is with this service, business no longer need to spend time and manpower in daily task of customer relation and can leave the work to the professionals. You don't want to set up, you can see your people are sitting, running around the customers, around the people customers are, we are making survey, calling every customer, making survey, how you sir, how you feel our product. Like this, many daily tasks will be automated. And then customer satisfaction, you can calculate. And then you can put a survey. All these things is possible on this. So this is the major benefit on the customers, when you add a call center field platform in your business. A common problem I can discuss with you. Imagine a situation where you are receiving upwards of 100 calls per day. I'm saying 100 calls only. You can see many of the places, not 100 is a very less amount. Each caller has unique needs, unique require unique handling. This is also need to keep the track of orders, maintain call records for customers, service quality check, and legal purpose. Ensure every call is attended so that no customers are lost. How can we solve this issue? You can see in this nowadays we are not we are not focusing the business. We are not focusing not only one. If your business is social media, example, you are giving social media services, you will be look only Facebook, only this Twitter, not like that. You have all whatever related to social media, you will be dealing with that. So unique requirements are there. So we need to attend unique manner, and then we need to give an answer for this. At least you can see I'm using the headset. Why I'm using headset? This is a call center headset. How my voice is how it's getting to you. You can see surroundings. I'm sitting in my office. Surrounding there is many sounds are there. You're not getting my other sounds. This is one of the major example I can tell you. It is a call center. It's a headset means a simple element of call center. Still, that will be how it's affecting you. That will be directly getting your benefit. When I'm removing, there should be every features, every elements in call center that will be affecting our in directly or indirectly. Okay. So this problem we've seen that you can see you know the solutions. Maybe you can say many things like we can put a staff, or we can put a PABS system. We can arrange some people to call directly. Many things are there, but all these things are uh, correct. I agree with you people, but there is one comprehensive solution that we can say 360-degree call center solutions. Okay, this solution will accept every incoming call and greeting to the customer, and then customer is reaching to IVR, and then which number customer want to press to reach on that concerned agent. It will be attending by agent, and then dedicated customer support representatives are sitting, and they will be attending. There is no waiting time. Even though you're saying I'm busy, you can see a couple of numbers when you call, it's a busy time. Please be online. We'll be attending within 1 minute, within 2 minutes, like that. You can say to your customer, you can set in your call center 30 seconds. We can say we cannot wait more than 30 seconds as average person. When in a queue, we can say, as per the psychologically, we can say maximum 30 seconds only. We can survive with any matter. Maybe it's good voice is getting or bad voice is getting, but anyway, after 30 seconds we'll be disconnected. That call is called abandoned calls. Like its customer is lost. So in your call center, you can set as after 30 seconds, you can send a message to the customer. If you're not interested to wait on the line, we are happy to call you back. You can type your contact number, your information, your email ID and all. Otherwise, even though they're not typing their email ID and all, we have this number, their number they called. So system will call back directly after 30 seconds. So customer, then at that time also it's coming one specific, it is called customer delight. Still you are impressing to your customer. Orders are not down past to the business. You can see the second thing, all lines are busy. The call can opt to call back, which I told you that. Call can be rescheduled. When you call a sales campaign you're making, when you call multiple calls you're making to customers are, we are talking through the call. So we don't know their situation. So recently, you can see in a call center script, in general, call center script. Totally, there is one script is there. This is the right time to speak with you. This script is being removed because the latest script on the all the call center is following. They will not ask you will be free or not. If I ask you, this is the right time to speak with you, maybe in my mind, no, I need to go for tea. Maybe I have some other engagement. We'll see. That is a common, quite natural. So will be normal case in the any sales campaigns and all. When you call from your company, you're calling to your customer, you will be directly asking, directly you're pitching your product. Directly you're saying, what is the purpose which you call me? Maybe they will ask, from where you got my number? So the answer is there, which is available anywhere, any number is available in the market right now. All the social medias, everybody is putting their number on that. So we cannot say you don't want to call me, or it's not legally to make a cold call. It's not a illegal things. Cold call. Okay. So in the cold call, what cold call means, generally when we called you and then we can ask some help or some product help, it is delight for the customer. It's not like illegal things on that. And then complaints are handling professional manner. You can see complaints when the customer is calling many times. We don't have the previously when they called what they complained. We can check the recordings, and then we can very professional manner we can do that. Maybe your agent is wrong. Talk with this some like a contradictory statement. So we can coach the agent. So we can understand what is the manner, what is the for them. Uh, how they're dealing with the professional manner. That's what I'm saying. And then that all the calls are being recorded. Some of the solutions, some of the areas we need to analyze the calls and all. These are the solutions we can provide on this case. And then impact, what will happen, what will be when I do all this thing, when you do all this thing, what will happen? It will be customer attended each calls, and no calls orders are missed out. This ensure the maximum sales and great improvement of customer satisfaction. Orders or complaint can be easily sorted out, and all data is collected, organized in professional manner, making administrative work much easier. So totally we can say your customers will not be going anywhere. On the same safe side, and their side also, they're also great happy on this to got the service from you. You are also attending very professional manner. Okay, so then I would like to tell you a small architecture, how you can implement. These are the advantages of the call center. Within 2 minutes, I can tell you how you can implement your call center in your home, in your business. Sorry. Okay, so in that cases, I can tell you it is obviously there is a input lines are needed. Input lines, it is, we can say it is multiple lines is required. Depends your call volume. You can decide how many lines is required. That is called SIP line or PRI lines. Something technically what I'm saying, this is only 2 minutes. It's a technically maybe we are not being attentive on this, but anyway, I can tell you this is a part of the call center architecture. So input is getting from provider like Etisalat or Do, they can provide us a line. So we will be putting server will be handling. There's a two things. One is a PBX system, IPBS system, and second one is the front end system. Front end system, what is that? Custom, our agent in your company, how many people are dealing with this customer through call center? They will be getting an interface that can be managed by agents, customer support representative. Then if they are sitting in front of the system, they will be getting a board like a login page. They can log in, they can take the calls. All the calls will be landed on this agents. And then in between, many terms are there, which is getting like automatic call distribution. That is called automatically. How many agents are there? Maybe one agent is busy, second line is not busy. On that case, automatically call will be distributed. And then you can see call will come directly, and then putting in a, and then it's hitting in a server. Server will be distributing this to the agent. Okay, and then PABX system. Why any call center system, that should be an IPBX system should be there, because it's a telephonic communication, and telephonic extensions are there. Okay, and then one of the another major thing in this architecture, there should be a administrative login. You can see all the reports, you can see there. And then your agent will be sitting in office, their agent having their own KPI. So you can calculate KPIs, you can calculate their proficiency, their reports, everything you can take it. Same time, you can get the daily basis report, all 360-degree. Why we saying 360-degree? The in round clock you will be getting on this circle. When we draw a circle, all the manner you will be getting the reports. There is no restriction on this. That is a call center solution architect. This architect is giving you much more reports on this, so you can analyze like this. And then next I need to tell you, this is the 2 minutes I talked with you regarding this architecture. This will work like this, and then we are the one of the provider for this setup. Okay, and then the next part I am going to tell you, it is what all services can be useful for you from your call center if you set up like this a call center. Okay, what all services can, many services can be used. The first thing, like there is a four major services I'm just explaining you very simple way. One is the virtual reception. Virtual reception means maybe you don't have a capability to set a reception. Maybe the receptionist is not available nowadays, and then maybe she's sick, or maybe you're sharing someone on the reception. Like on this cases, what we can do on this, reception can be virtualized. So you can see it is your call is coming 800 ABC example. When this came on the call, you can see it is going to the extension which is in the reception. Maybe reception, your staff is sitting in their home. It will be transferred to their mobile. Okay, and then you can see it is maybe you are giving this virtual reception, like your staffs are not been working with your office, like they're outside on that services, like you're not been there in the office regularly. In that cases, your calls need to be attended at any cost. Maybe you're giving the, you can see when you give a quote in any of this market, so simply they will call this on the code, there's a number is there. Maybe they will call 04 number, the contact number. The credibility they will check at any cost. They will call and they will ask, maybe this company is still there, or they can provide these features, they can provide this product, all this thing. So anyway, the reception is the one of the major part in the business. So when they call, no one is attended. What is the advantage? Nothing is there. They will close. They will close. They will not deal with you guys, with your business. So in that cases, you can see anyway the reception need to be taken. Maybe the person which is sitting in office daily basis, they need to go outside also. That time you can transfer your call to your mobile, or from your mobile, not like transferring the, like call forwarding the mobile, not like that. You can attend the phone when you use this call center, one of the feature which is called virtual reception. If you have different opinion, you can talk with me, no problem. Okay, and then apart from that, the next thing is the inbound and outbound sales campaign. Inbound and outbound sales campaign, one of the feed of the business, we can say feed, because business needs to run. Without sales, nothing will be happen. So it is inbound sales means maybe you give a flare in the market. There is a number is there. For inquiry, you can call this. And then when they call, this is a campaign which you set, that is called inbound campaign. When you set a campaign, you can ask them to call back. It will be hitting in your call center. So it will be attending properly by agent. You can see how many this campaign time, how many calls is been attended, how many customers been getting, and then moreover this you will get the data for the customers database. You can get simply maybe like hundreds of customers they call, they inquire about this. So at least on the call center agent, like your agent can write what kind of service this customer required, what they're saying, they can mention in the call tagging. That is called disposition, one of the technical term, disposition or call tagging we can say. So every call is being tagged. So inbound and outbound, inbound and sales, how many conversion is been happened, this thing is being monitored. See, in your mind you may see that it is all these things maybe happen without call center. I need to spend on the time, on the amount on this. But when you run all these campaigns with under a call center platform, your conversion, I can tell you as per the study we can say, and then my experience have seen that 50 to 60 percentage conversion will get it when you make an outbound. When you make a call, direct call from the mobile, you can see 10% hardly. We have experience on this. Like so there is a 50 percentage increase in the leads. The earlier the person is saying getting leads from the customer, leads from the market. So when you make these campaigns, like different campaigns are available, mainly in inbound and outbound. Let's say the outbound. Outbound means when you call, you have a customer, 5-year company, you are running the company last 5 year. You have a first year, like, when you start from 2015, there is a, customers are there. They were not been attended last couple of years. So what will do? You have already the data. You don't want to buy data from the market. When you call this customer, at least you can give some, you can say in IT company, in the prospectus of IT company, when I call my customers in before 5 year, before the customer, I'm giving our old customers like 20% discount on in our AMC. What will be the impact? You can see there should be 100%, there should be an impact. But only the thing is, we need to do a structure on this. We need to do simply, we can say call center alone will not work. We have to make a proper analysis on this. We have to do something, then only he will then only the call center will help us. So this kind of campaigns, it will be very useful for the call center platform. Very conversion will be very high when you use call center platform. And then even though TechX call center can give a demo in your personally when you contact TechX, we can provide, we can show you that. But we are talking about this particular system, not only TechX call center. In a call center setup, when you set up in your office, what all the benefit? We are we are we are sitting in front of call center, TechX call center platform. So we are saying we are one of the partner, but you can see many partners are there. The choice is yours. But still I'm saying you, what all benefit is possible when you use this. The next thing, major thing, debt collection. Debt collection, you can see, you may think it is need there is a some legal things. We have to set up a legal team and all. I'm saying you, it is a cold call. When you use a call center, mostly you're calling to the customer through a cold call system. Not like purposely you're calling, I'm calling from this company, I need something to talk with you. You need to be stay online. You will be punished. You're not being given this. Not like that. This is not the way to talk with the agent to the customer. So this debt collection campaign, what will be happening? We are providing service, not only from different call centers. So providers can be, you can see that many different way of debt collection. In your, okay, I'm saying to you, in your call center solution, in your call center setup, when you use this, you can see aging of the collection. Like last 2 years before, people are there, they're still not paid. Many of the invoices are pending. What you will do, you will be arranging one person to call this customer, and then every day, daily basis is calling. But you will not get any idea about what is the status of my collection. So simply your your agent can call and then make a follow-up. Maybe they're saying, call me after 2 hours. Maybe this, if you're using in a typical way to call the customer, after 2 hours, she has another work. Maybe after 2 hours, maybe she is going for a lunch. What will do? So this is the timely need to be interact with customer and then regularly make a follow-up. These two things will be happening through this call center setup when you make a debt collection. And then the last thing, this is not only this for, I just address this major things only that will be more helpful for you. And then the last one is a customer tech support. What is the customer tech support? Customer tech support is giving you, you can see you have a unique product. It's not like Sony or Philips or some other things branded. You have a unique product, and then customers the trust is how the customer trusts. Customer will ask how I'll be getting service. Maybe your product is very perfect. It will not be happen anything. It will not nothing will be happen when it's under warranty or after warranty also. That much confident product you're selling, but still customer will ask you how I'll be getting service, man. Then only I can buy. Maybe tomorrow something has happened. What will do? So you can say you can call 800 number. Our 800 number is available. 24/7 service is there. So technically fit people. Like example for a like the for a your water purification machine. You can see many brands are there, but you can see your own brand when you put on this. Maybe it is a daily usage, device. We can say daily usage service. So in that cases, maybe something has happened in the night. They need to stop drinking water. So they'll be calling you. So 24/7 service, when you can give the product, that time customer will say, yes, I need this product. When you give a service in a one time or two time, three time, or like in a couple of times when you support, they will not go anywhere to buy any other product. That also the major product in this call center. So totally what I can say around, I'm going to wind up within 5 minutes. Okay. I can say now, I think you got some overall picture. How far away the call center from you it is. You can see if at least 1 meter I can reduce your distance. I'm grateful. I believe it's not like the big setup. Maybe it will be how it will be affecting you in this call center setup. And then one of the solution provider call center, for the call center is a TechX call center. That that our unique, our recent and then a unique style of installation we are offering you. Okay, and then yeah, go
anyone
ahead.
has any question, they can ask in the chat box about the
Yes.
services, products, about the installation, anything they can ask in the chat box, and we will try to.
And then Rabab, it is the last section. It is one of the another section. Only 5 minute section also the in between regarding call center setup in your office, in-house call center setup. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And then otherwise we can shift this section the last. That's better, right? I can continue with
you can continue. If any question comes, we will ask
chat box.
Yeah.
Correct. So next thing I would like to ask you earlier, which I seen one word. If I need a tea, I will not buy a tea shop, right? I'll buy a tea only. Okay, same thing. I'll be. We are the different mind people. Maybe it is this call center setup. Same thing is happening. You're buying your own facilities for your internal purpose. Difference is there. That you found that many difference. Okay. In case the next question which I'm asking. One second, please. Okay. The next thing it's we are discussing about, are you going to outsource your call center? This I would like to ask you because you may think this setup, why can't we outsource? This is the age of outsourcing. This is the time, last 5 to 10 years. we know that outsourcing, how it will be affecting employees or affecting business, or like it will be how it will be useful in our ecosystem. If you are not being set up in your office, are you ready to outsource your call center? Yes, it's possible. All your services, what I discussed with you, you can outsource. Okay, so outsourcing, you can outsource how it will be like, it is a simple thing. You can find one of the major or one of the solution provider. You can sit with them, and then you can talk with that your purpose. What is the purpose? Your what all the services you would like to outsource, that can be talked, that can be solved through the solution provider. So, but for your improvement of your outsourcing selection, I would like to tell you there is 8 tips to choose right call center for your business. Okay, so this 8 tips, like it is the mostly useful for you. That's it. It's not like not only 8 tips. Many tips are there, but I found that which is 8 tips is enough for you to outsource your business. So first of all, you need to have a good sense what you need before you are starting interviewing or approaching to call center, and then what kind of support you need, that you need to get it out. Maybe you need only for 8 hours, maybe you need for 24 hours. When you call Tech's call center, you need 24 hour. We have 24-hour service anyway, but maybe some of the provider we can see only 8 hour services. So that also the concern. And then maybe you need the email answering, or maybe you need WhatsApp chatting, like maybe the WhatsApp when the customer is contacted, and you need to be attend, we need to attend your, or the who is the call center people, call center like you're subscribing or you're approaching, they need to responsible for your all calls and messages, all your social media inputs, everything. And then the second thing, the first of all, the first thing, you need to know the what you needed. That's the main thing. Second thing, you need to get some references. You need to check with your clients. This is, I'm saying you need to go ahead with the calls, Tech's call center. This webinar, you can see it should be getting you some benefit, some like for some information that will be useful for your future business. You need to study about the call center, and then you need to ask what all services are there. Speak with the clients, like your existing, you can talk with our existing clients, what they will say. If I am giving, if we are giving some false services, definitely you can understand, you can see, okay, these people are not good. And then you can ask our customers how, which partnership they are doing with us. You can ask them to our customers, or maybe like it's related, it's related to your in between your clients, or maybe your friends. You can ask, like which one they will be recommending for this. This is the second thing. And then the third one is verify that they have a right people and resource to handle your customers service support. This means what the outsourcing providers, staff skills that should be meet your requirement, as well as those needed by your customers. So this is a major thing. You have a pen, you need to get a service for the technical service for a pen. What you will do when you are outsourcing, you need to know that technically to support the people are available or not. And then obviously you need, like surely you need to give the support, like the pen details, pen specification, all these things. So that should be one of the, and then requirement can be technologically certified, and then language proficiency or pre-request experience in your particular field. So prerequisites are there, like some product, at least technical support when you are giving a television technical support to example for the Tech's call center. Obviously you need to check, we have a proficiency of the technical people, or like how maybe your customer is different, like from UK or US. So that proficiency is people are there with you or not. Definitely you need to check. And then the the other one is to make sure the contact center data can integrate with your CRM solution. One of the most important criteria you should consider when selecting a good contact center is its ability to manage your customer database. Maybe you're giving a support for a television, TV, LED TV. So that's you have already on CRM. When when we deal with your or when the call center dealing with your customers, we need to make a ticketing. We need to do the some integration is required. So CRM, there is a CRM already running with your company. So this CRM, one of the module for the solution, like for the technical support, you need to give us or you need to give to call center. So you need to check integration possibility is there or not. We have all the software integration features. I can inform you. If you have any of the Soho, any of the CRM, anything, we can integrate on your ticketing parts. Okay. And then other one is and don't forget about social media integration. Now the social media, that it is how it will be affecting, like, integration with the companies are equal to phone interaction. 70 to 80% of them will be service oriented. So it is social media. It's one of the like pillar for the sales, that. So we cannot avoid any, like, when we have already customers, which is we are mainly interacting to the phone and all, but still integration with the social media it is one of the major thing you need to check. Like, our media, like, media, social media can be integrated to this call center or not. That should be important. And then be strategic about location. Okay, location is a very important when choosing a right outsourced contact center for your business. Location is very important. This means you should be looking for a contact center in a location that best fits your infrastructure and customer needs. When you're looking a call center, it should be not like in Poland, but you can see your customer is calling to local number, and then local number 800 number is available only here. 800 and UAE numbers as like, UAE, any number from UAE, you cannot terminate with out of country. It is illegal. You cannot terminate this particular number. Like example, I will tell you 800 ABC, one number is there with you. Your call should be attended here. From here, maybe your out like agent should be outsourced to the, like, other country, but call is hitting in UAE only. We cannot terminate any of the calls in cloud. Okay, cloud means in the outside country. So legality of this location is a very important, and then it should be here in UAE. And but it is reachable. At least you can come and see what is the infrastructure on that kind of like, structure you need to choose. We are all welcome to our call center setup. Tech call center, we are welcoming all of you. If you have a concern about location, all this thing, we are located in Dubai. So this is the one of the major thing. And then the last thing which I can tell you, it is discuss policies and procedure as well as security policy measures. Ensure you understand how communication will be managed from daily updates, overall planning and design of the program. Okay, this is you need to know that how they are dealing your customers. It is as per the legal policy, all complaints it's satisfying or not. It is one of the major thing. And then it should be attended in a manner, a policy should be, you need to read the policy of the contact center, all the call center, many, like, different call center, different policies and procedure. We have a policy customer, and then the policy customer friendly, and then we can say in TechX call center can be prepared, or like all your procedure and policies depends your business, how it will be affecting, how it will be positively affecting your business. And then we are 100% legal complaints is being satisfied. Okay, and then the thing, other one is know what, how you will be charged before you sign on the dotted line. Signing is very like an easy thing, but you need to know how much it will be charging. What is the charge of this, and then procedure. Monthly, there is any recurring charge? Maybe it depends your sales conversion. Maybe they will ask about 10%, something like that. Maybe a fixed amount. So before that, it should be like communicated. These are the some of the small tips I can provide you in your like when you make a call center outsource. Okay, this is my section is being completed now. I believe you understand something like from my side. If any doubts is there, you can see you can mail us or you can call us, and then we can provide you information or any kind of help you required. I'm happy to help you. And then you can see mails. And thank you for the audience which in front of me and then listening me last 1 year. So Rabab, you can ask any questions and answers. Answer I can provide you this.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Mujib. It was very informative and very explanatory, self-explanatory presentation and everything. I hope the call center concept that TechX is offering is clear to the participants. Still, if there are any questions, you can ask in the chat box. Also, we are wrapping up the session now. So if any question comes in your mind after the session, you can send us an email on the mentioned email address or on info@techxmedia.com. For any call center solution services, if you want to get it integrated in your organization, or if you want to outsource your call center, you want to take services from TechX, you can get in touch with us and we'll be very, very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. We have not received any questions in the chat box, so I believe it was very self-explanatory. Still, if there are any questions, you can ask after the session via email. The feedback form link will be shared in the chat box. Hina, our co-host, will share the feedback form link in the chat box. Once you will fill the feedback form, you will be eligible to get the participation certificate. Also, if any of your friends or anyone has missed the session, we are live on Facebook. The recording will be there on our official Facebook page. The Facebook page link will be also shared in the chat box. Also, tomorrow, the recording of this webinar will be available on our official YouTube channel, and YouTube channel link will be shared in the chat box too. Get subscribed to TechX and stay tuned to know more about what is happening inside the technology industry. And goodbye, everyone.